Hey YouTube, Skydot here in the rain. A quick trip. I already got some gasoline. Ooh, I better turn off my lights. I think I should. Or else I'm gonna cause my motor to die. Let me just get my keys right out. But anyway, I'm here to get the famous Quick Trip 69-cent drink. So, right, defeating the heat when it's cold outside. So I'm getting my drink. Gotta sit like that. Pour it in. Look at that. Okay, got my 69-cent drink. I think it's like 44 ounces, not quite sure. It says right here, hold on, let's show the poster. It says, defeat the heat with the big Q, yeah, all that type of stuff. But it's not even hot outside. Look at that. Look at that off into the distance, the turnpike and everything. It's also mistful and whatnot. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I'm staring in your. I can't sing all Lana Del Rey song, but anyway, whatever. Let's just. Okay. Well, I'm off home, so let's go home, where it's raining. Still, it's raining. Rain makes me sad. Rain. Rain.